Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by lining up essentials. This is where wins are made. First, open your map and mark the 3 most probable spawn zones. Why? Because patterns matter. Once done, equip stealth gear and a noise reducer so you avoid early aggro. Make sure you have a fast escape ability and 1 healing item. Then set a timer for the active time window and move to the closest marked location. This proactive start gets you into position without wasted wandering. Now you focus on the middle work, tracking and narrowing the search. You scan a 50-meter radius for footprints, broken foliage, or droppings. Those subtle cues tell you where it recently passed. Once you find 2 or more signs, use a bait pulse or your scan ability to triangulate movement. Follow wind direction to avoid spooking it. Clear smaller mobs first so nothing alerts the target, then close in using cover and a silent approach. This controlled pressure forces an encounter finish by shaping the encounter to your advantage. You should start with non-lethal bait or a stun to create a capture window, because weakening instead of killing preserves your objective. Once engaged, deploy traps or environmental hazards and use crowd control to immobilize. Always keep 1 clear escape route. If it flees or resets unexpectedly, retreat about 200 meters and wait 10 minutes before returning to the last sign. This cooldown often resets aggro and restores spawn behavior, which fixes most tracking failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.